What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Fiypo smartwatch. This one is FY16 Plus. This one is the newest from this brand. Actually I have a long story behind this video, but okay, let me tell you quickly. A few days ago one of my friends came to me and told me that he wanna buy a smartwatch. So he wanted me to find him an affordable smartwatch. Okay, I went ahead and found a $33 smartwatch for him. He was so very happy. He bought two of those smartwatches and started bragging like, okay, my friend has helped me to buy a cheap smartwatch, an affordable smartwatch, which performs very good and looks like a very expensive smartwatch. Yeah, being a YouTuber, a tech reviewer, it's very difficult. Many other friends came to me. Almost 8 other friends came to me and told me, we want better smartwatches, we want something better than him, and we don't want to spend more than him. It felt like I'm a marketing agent. I have replied them, if you want something better, then you have to spend more, and I don't have time for this. But one of those friends, he told me that he can spend up to $50, but he wanted something better. I said, it's actually not always about the money. It's very difficult to find something that performs good, have more features than others, because in budget or affordable smartwatch segment, it's very difficult to find something unique. Anyway, you can see I have found something. Here is Fiypo smartwatch. This one is FY16 Plus, and this one comes with quite a lot of features. Bluetooth call, 1.69-inch full screen, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, multi-sports mode, message notification. Actually, this is the smartwatch that I'm wearing now. This is Fiypo FY16 Plus. And personally, yeah, I think I have done a good job to find this one. It was a difficult task because I had to buy 7 different smartwatches and then select this one as the winner for my friend. Well, at the beginning, let me tell you something. I thought that this smartwatch cost $60 because it was listed as $60. But I have noticed that there is a discount going on. It only costs $24. Can you imagine a smartwatch that costs $24 comes with all these features? Yeah, I'm surprised and I'm happy because I've been using this one for a few days now, and yeah, it performs quite good. I have already mentioned the price. It's $24 right now. If you want to buy, then I will leave a link in the description box below. I don't have any affiliation. This isn't a sponsored video. So if you want to buy, you buy. You don't have to buy from my link. You can buy from anywhere else. It doesn't matter. Let's start from appearance. It looks very good. It looks like a very expensive smartwatch. But if you're worried about this chin, I don't think this chin looks ugly because almost all the other smartwatches within this price segment will have a chin, and most of those have a bigger chin and worse display panel than this one. This one comes with a LCD TFT display panel, a bigger one, bigger than many other. 1.69-inch is really a big one because mostly those other affordable smartwatches which I have tested comes with 1.33 or 1.50-inch LCD panel. Display resolution is very good. It's 280 by 240, very bright, vivid. Actually, dark is pretty dark and white is very bright. Colors are vivid and vibrant. I don't think there is anything that I could complain about because within this price range, it's very difficult to find anything better. We have already talked about appearance. It looks cool. Now let's talk about build quality. Look at this. This is metal frame. This isn't plastic. When I've read the specifications like this comes with a metal frame, I was like, it cannot be true. But after I have used it, yeah, it's a metal frame and you get this one only for $24. Yeah, it's surprising. Very good appearance, very good build quality. What about battery? It takes around 115 minutes to get fully charged, and when it's fully charged, you can put it on standby mode for 10 days. If you're a power user like me, like you use a lot of features, a lot of functions, then it will go more than 2 days. Usually I get 2.5 days. They say that it should go up to 3 days, but it's okay. If you don't use most of the features, then it will go up to 7 or 8 days. I think that's okay. We cannot complain about this battery life because we are spending only $25. Yeah, sorry, $24, less than $25. Yeah, if you go to their website and check this Fiypo FY16 Plus, you may notice that on the website it says you can continuously use this one for 21 days. I don't know, maybe they have mentioned about the standby mode, but when I have tried to use it, it doesn't go beyond 8 days. I mean, when I use some features and I'm a bit active with the smartwatch, it doesn't offer beyond 8 days of battery life. appearance, build quality, battery. Now it's time for display panel. I have already talked about the display panel, but one thing I need to mention, this one goes very bright. I have checked and this one goes beyond 650 nits when it's in full brightness. There is a brightness slider in the settings menu and you can slide it down to pretty dim, and when you go to that full brightness it goes beyond 650 nits. Before I show you how to connect this smartwatch to a smartphone, let me show you a few features that I like. I have never seen something like this in any other affordable smartwatches. You slide from left edges to the right side and there is a panel, and when you slide it from right to left, you can add any of the components you want. For example, you can add a lot of things actually. The first one is breathing exercise. You can select how many minutes you want to exercise. Well, the second one is steps, how many steps you took, how many kilocalories you have burned, how many kilometers you have covered, everything is there. Then it's heart rate. It's pretty fast. 74 BPM, 75 BPM, 76, 77. Well, this heart rate monitor is working fine. It continuously keep measuring, so if you continuously do this, battery will get drained faster. Let's skip to the next component or the next card. This one is blood pressure monitoring. Sometimes I feel like some of the big brands, they're not even offering blood pressure monitoring, and those smartwatches cost some more than $500, but some affordable brands with an affordable price tag offers a lot of features. It works nice. At this moment my blood pressure is 111/72. Wow, it's acceptable. The next component or the slide is music control. You know what to do. If you are listening to music on your smartphone, then you can control that. There is sleep monitoring, and that's all. If you don't want these components or slides, you can delete one by one. If you slide from bottom to top, you will see the notifications or the messages. If you slide from top to bottom, then there are a lot of options again. Bluetooth call, battery percentage, find your phone, settings, brightness, and your personal voice assistant. If this smartwatch is connected to a smartphone, if it's connected to an iPhone, then you can activate Siri by pressing this button. Also, you can select these options. Look at this, you can edit. There are a lot of options. Wow. I'm truly surprised by all of these features and options. I don't know how come they can offer this smartwatch only for $24. They're actually giving away a lot of things only for these $24. Another thing I haven't mentioned yet, that's pretty interesting. This smartwatch comes with IP67 rating. IP67, not like IPX or something. IP67 rating means a lot. You can actually go to swim with this smartwatch. Let's bind this smartwatch to my Google Pixel 6 and let me show you how to do the process, whether it's easy or not, and what other features we can get through that application. But before that, if you're interested to know, this is the box, and inside the box you will get this user manual. Inside the user manual you will get all the information in details. Every details is given with some illustrations, so there is no way you are gonna do any mistake. This one also comes with a very good quality charging cable. Okay, we are gonna download this VFit application on my smartwatch, and then we will bind our Fiypo FY16 Plus Smartwatch with my smartphone. It's very easy. The application is actually available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. After you download the application, you have to select equipment and then add watch. The application actually found my smartwatch within a second, FY16 Plus. Okay, after you pair your smartwatch, you can go to dial market to change your watch face. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can select more dial. There are a lot of dials. Play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain. A lot of dials, Let me find something with a lot of colors. Commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss that. Downloading watch face. After it has downloaded, the watch face is directly available on your smartwatch. Click on it and you are good to go. Let me show you some other features. App notification reminder, bracelet alarm clock, sedentary reminder, reminder of compliance, music control, drink water reminder, emergency contact, address book, wallet, business card, time format. Yeah, there are a lot of features, and I think if you don't need to check your heart rate frequently, then you don't have to enable this automatic heart rate detection, because this one actually drains battery faster, and if you use this one with many other features, then this smartwatch will go up to 3 days. But if you want to use this for 8 or 10 days, then I won't recommend you to enable automatic heart rate detection. Okay, you can see all the applications, all the features are there, and you can actually select how you want to see the applications. It has list view, cellular view, grid view, and others. I don't know what does others mean, but let me try. You just swipe and it keeps changing the applications. There is grid view, cellular view, list view. Yeah, it's nice. There are a lot of exercise options. You can even make a phone call. There is dial pad and all the options are there. Oh, I forgot to mention this one also offers blood oxygen monitoring. Here it is. It's now measuring 98%. I think I have been talking a lot about this smartwatch because I'm totally surprised that for $24 I have managed to get this smartwatch, and even if this one costs more than $40, I think this one offers a very good value for money. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and share the love. Yeah, like and subscription, both the buttons are over there. Please click on those, because those are for free. On YouTube, you don't need to spend any money for that. But to my friends, please don't come to me and don't say that find me a smartwatch. I don't have time. Maybe one more, but not everyone.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind.